went to the doctor and you had a surgical procedure done, and after that procedure you've suffered an injury. Now you're wondering, are you the victim of medical malpractice, and if so, what should you do? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about two critical and two very important issues in surgical error cases or surgical injury cases. And the first one deals with a concept that you have to be able to understand, and that concept is that just because there was a bad result because of your surgery or during your surgery, that does not necessarily mean that medical malpractice occurred. Now, when we're talking about the term medical malpractice under Maryland law, what we're looking at is whether your surgeon or the doctor that was treating you at the time, whether they fell below the standard of care causing your injury. Now, I use that term standard of care, and what we're essentially talking about is what would a reasonable and prudent doctor do under the same set of circumstances that your doctor was under. So that's what we're looking at. What would a reasonable and prudent doctor do under those same set of circumstances? Now, the second critical issue that you have to understand, and I kind of touched on it briefly just a few seconds ago, and that is causation. The injury must be caused, or the result of your injury must be because of medical malpractice. So the surgeon has to have caused your injury. So you can't have an injury that was caused by something else and then say, you know what, is this medical malpractice, or I am the victim of medical malpractice. Now, I realize that you probably have more questions and concerns. You're more than likely wondering, are you the victim of medical malpractice, and should you talk to someone? Well, if you have these questions and concerns and your matter happened here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we'll see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.